class today, I'm going to be reading you the book, I Know a Lady, and it is written by Charlotte Zolito, so she is the author, and it is illustrated by James Stevenson, so he's the one that created the pictures. On our block there is a lady who lives alone. She works in her garden and gives us daffodils in the spring and zinnias in the summer. Chrysanthemums in the fall and red holly berries when the snow falls. See, here she is giving these to those boys. She waves to us mornings on our way to school and smiles when we pass her house coming home. She invites us in to warm up at her fire at Halloween and gives us candy apples that she's made herself. At Christmas time, she asks us in and sees her tree and gives us cookies sprinkled with red and green dots. At Easter, she makes little cakes with yellow frosting. Sometimes we see her walking alone along the path in the woods behind the houses. She smiles at me and knows my name is Sally. She pats my dog and knows her name is Matilda. She feeds the birds and puts cream out for the old cat who lives across the meadow. I wonder what she was like when she was a little girl. I wonder if some old lady she knew had a garden and cooked and smiled and patted dogs and fed the cats and knew her name. If I was an old lady and she was a little girl, I would love her a lot the way that I do now. And that's the end. So this book is a little bit different because it's not somebody who has a job to help in their community. This lady is a person in the community that just helps the people around her and the animals around her. She helps the kiddos that are her neighbors. She helps the animals that live close to her yard. So even if it's not your job to be a helper, like maybe you're not hired to be a teacher or a fireman or a librarian, you can still help those people in your community that live around you.